Hi dearies, it is another wonderful moment with me on Harriet 8. I hope all of you are doing so great. I was asked by my wonderful audience to create a tutorial on a slick back bun hairstyle. So here is a video on how to achieve this beautiful look. I started by sectioning my hair into 4 different parts and I worked on each part step by step to have a perfect slick down. Since I have a 4C natural hair, sectioning my hair into these parts really helped me to have the perfect slick. I created what I nicknamed as C-section on the front of my hair and one at the back of my hair. I therefore created additional sections on the sides of my hair. This is water I am spraying on it, and I continually use this bit by bit throughout the process, just enough to moisturize the hair for the perfect slick. And my Bristle hairbrush was used a lot. The gel I used was Eco Styling Gel, and I have been using this gel for quite a long time, and I can see that it is very good for my hair. But if you have any gel that works for you or your hair, you can use that one. When I was done working on this section at my back, I tied it with a rubber band and I continually added the remaining sections one after the other to the band at the back. On this C-section, I had to use 2 bobby pins to hold to the rest of my hair since my hair was not enough to go all the way to the back. But for someone with a longer hair, you wouldn't need to use any bobby pins. I therefore use a scrunchie to cover my hair and to maintain the slick look. I did not sit under any hair dryer. I did not use any blow dryers. So I waited for about 4 hours before taking the scrunchie off and attaching my extensions. The extension I used was Gorgeous Hair extension, and I really loved it a lot because it was so soft. It was very good. It was the perfect extension for me and for this band I was creating. Therefore, I tied this kinky extension bit by bit to my natural band using the bobby pins. I tried these bridal hairpins and the semicircle hairband on my band, and the look was so fantastic. You have got to try this, girl. This is a DIY. Follow the tutorial and then it will be so great for you to just do this. please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have anything you want us to work on, please bring it on board on my comment section and let's carry it from there. I love you so much and I love your hair. Yes, I really, really do. Have a nice day.